Tony goes to art class bright, colors everywhere in sight. Brushes, paints, and fun, learning has begun. Creativity takes flight. Pick the colors nice and bright, mix them slowly left and right. Red and blue combine, shiny colors shine. Painting is delight. Hold the brush so soft and neat, paint the paper colors neat, paint the paper colors meet. Tony draws a line, shape so bright and always sweet. Rainbow paints up in the sky. Tony laughs and paints so high, curved and bold and wide. Colors side by side, oh my. Draw a cat or little dog, Tony paints upon the log. Animals appear with a smile so clear, happy on the canvas spot. Mixing colors is so fun, orange, green, and yellow run. Tony smiles with glee, learning creatively. Art is never done. Paint a tree with leaves so green, Tony paints the nicest scene. Brown trunk, straight and strong. Birds join in the song, best painting ever seen. Show your artwork, don't be shy. Tony holds it up so high, friends all clap and cheer. Colors bright and clear, art makes everyone smile. Paint together side by side, Tony laughs with friends in pride. Color and brush in a world way, colors in the wide. Clean your brush a tray,